Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to show you guys how you can get the Children's Place credit card, and you're not going to get a hard inquiry and they're not going to look at your credit reports. So in this video, you guys, I'm going to show you how you can get the Children's Place credit card, but you can get other credit cards using the shopping cart trick, you guys. So you can get Visa's credit cards like the Camping World with a Good Sam Visa. You can use this for Victoria's Secret. You can use this for Express. You can use it for multiple credit cards. So if you want to see all my videos on the shopping cart trick, make sure you guys look down below because I have a playlist of all of my shopping cart trick credit cards. So you can just look at them back to back to back and figure out how you can get some of these credit cards. Now, don't go too crazy. I always tell people don't get more than 4 of these credit cards because if you get too many of them, they're going to start closing your account. So let's get right on into it. The first thing I want us to do is I want you guys to opt in to Factor Trust, but I'll show you guys how to do that after I show you guys the shopping cart trick. So I'll show you guys how to opt into Factor Trust, and Factor Trust is going to be that company that's going to give our information to the credit card company so that we can go ahead and get those pre-approvals. We'll get the pre-approvals to pop up. Now I'm going to show you guys right on the website how you guys can go to Children's Place and get the credit card, and then after that I'll show you guys how to do Factor Trust. If you guys ever have any questions, go ahead, call or text me 833-RICKITA. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys have. And don't forget, I have my exclusive membership where you guys can sign up to have free, you guys can get free credit repair. You can get all my letters so you guys can repair your own credit, and I'll teach you guys how to build up your credit, and then soon I'll teach you guys how to actually buy a home. So I have the step-by-step process on how to buy a home. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and put Children's Place into our search bar. So www.childrensplace. Actually, let's go ahead and just spell it out. Let's go ahead and put Children's Place. And then let's go ahead and click right here to their website. So now that we're on their website, let's go ahead and put the $200 to $250 worth of items in the cart. You can see that we actually got the pop-up, which means that we should be able to get the pop-up saying that we're pre-approved for a credit card. So this is a good sign. But let's go ahead and exit out of that. Go ahead and click that X. And I want to go to the shoes. I want to go to something that may be higher price so that I can just get a few of those and just check out. So let's see. Let's go ahead and see what we can buy. So I guess the most I see is 24. Yeah, I see 24 is the most expensive one they have. So let's go ahead and get these as added to the bag. And let's get a size 11. And let's get 9 of these and add it to the bag. Because as soon as we get 9 of them, then that should put us where we need to be. Yep. So we'll be at $220, which is between that $200 to $250. So the minimum, the least amount you want to put in your cart is $200, and the most that I want you guys to put in your cart is $250. So let's go ahead and click View Bag. And then we want to go ahead and click Check Out. And then we want to continue as a guest. We don't want to sign in. We don't want to create an account. We want to continue as a guest. And then after you guys click continue as a guest, I want you guys to put all your information in. So go ahead and put your first and your last name in. Put your address in with your city, state, and zip code. And then put your phone number and your email address in. After you guys put all this information in, we want to click right here where it says next and go to your billing. So let me go ahead and put this information in so that we can get that pop-up. We got the pop-up, you guys. I don't even know what to say. But congratulations, you guys. We got you pre-approved for a credit card. So if you guys want to get the credit cards with Children's Place, all you have to do is follow these steps. And after you go ahead and get this congratulations, I want you guys to click yes, I'm interested. Because after you guys click yes, I'm interested, then you guys are going to be able to put in your date of birth. You guys will need to put in your date of birth and put in the last 4 digits of your social, and then they'll send you that credit card in the mail, or you should be able to get the credit card in the mail and still purchase something today if you wanted to. So let's click yes, I'm interested. And I want you guys to scroll down to the bottom and then put your date of birth and then the last 4 digits of your social security number in. And then that's it. Go all the way down to the bottom, check this box, and click submit to open an account. With Factor Trust, all you have to do is just come to the website, and I'll have it down in the description. Just go ahead and click opt in and then click submit. Now, they do have an option where you can call them and you can opt in, but I just suggest that you guys just go ahead and fill out this form and it will happen faster. So go ahead and put your first, your last name in, put your social security number, your date of birth. Go ahead and put your address here, your city, state, and zip code, and put your email address in. After you put all this information in, all you have to do is click confirm, and then I want you to go to the next website, which is the opt-out pre-screen. Now, when you're on the opt-out pre-screen, it's going to be like the same thing that you just did for the Factor Trust. So just go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and click here to opt in or opt out. Now, after you do that, then go ahead and put your name, address, social security number, date of birth in on the next screen. So right here, you see opt in, just like on the other website here. I want you guys to see that it automatically says opt in. You do not want to opt out. That is very, very important. Do not opt out. Leave it at opt in. So go ahead and click continue. Now you want to go ahead and put your first and last name here, social security number, your date of birth. Go ahead and put your address in here and make sure you put your phone number in. This is going to be very important that you put the same information here that you put on Factor Trust. Thank you so much for finishing my video. If you like this video, make sure you check out these 2 videos on my right. There are more videos that's a part of my channel where I talk about real estate and credit repair. And if you guys are really interested in boosting your credit score, think about joining my exclusive membership where I actually have exclusive live videos and you guys can get access to free credit repair.